Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I'm back to finish up on this little crackle paint plaque that I made for the cover of my design team project for Crafty Cat. So I did let it sit. It's been like way over overnight because I had a hair appointment and I got all my hair cut off and I got a perm. And wow, I did not realize I had so much gray hair. But still not gonna dye it. I'm just gonna let it go. I'm just like, whatever. But anyways, so I did, so it's been like over almost 24 hours since it's dry. It's completely dried. And as you can see, I guess I probably, I've not really used it a whole lot. So what I thought was more than last time apparently wasn't enough to make bigger cracks, but there are quite a few bigger ones than the other plaque that I did. But I like it. I love how it turned out. It is a little shiny, but I'm not going to buff it because I like it the way it is. All I did was took the little emery board and just kind of buffed around the edges and, just smoothed them out a little bit. That's all I did so far. So that's it. And I had poked some holes to put some brads, so I want to put some brads in here. And let's see, I like these really brassy, almost brassy gold colored ones. But then I also like these, because that kind of makes it look a little more, I don't know. I think I kind of like that one better. I think it makes it look older, so grab a couple more of these out. So how is everyone doing? Good, I hope. Crafting and getting ready for all your Valentine's stuff, I hope. Okay. Make sure we don't. I'm just going to put a little washi on the back. That's all I need. Because this is going to go onto the front cover of my journal. So I just need something to hold them so they don't pop out, And I think this video, I've got a little surprise giveaway that I am going to do here as soon as I get done with this. And then I think then that'll be it for this video. And then I'm going to work on, I've got my cover picked out. I put some gesso over it because I liked kind of the color of the book, but the spine was really dark. So I went ahead and just put some gesso over the top of it and just kind of wash it out. Because I'm going to do some painting and some stenciling over it and stamping and some more stuff, We're going to go all out and kind of decorate this cover really nicely. I can kind of go a little crazy with the shabby chic with it, I think. And, I really love Amy's digital, and she did such a wonderful job with it. And it just has really inspired me to kind of get back into the shabby chic thing and, back into that mode. I was kind of in the fall and the winter mode, and now I'm kind of moving back into it. So, into what I really, really like. Eventually, I've been working a little bit on the digital. I don't get much done on it because typically I do my videos I do a video, and tonight I might do one or two, and I get them prepped, and then, oops, sorry. Oh, excuse me. I get them prepped, and then I have to work on my taxes. So I have been doing that the last few days, doing like a month or two at a time to try and get them done and everything balanced and calculated and all that wonderful stuff. So I have not really had a chance to work too much on it, but I'm hoping to maybe have it done. It's not a Valentine's kit or anything, but and then I've got a couple more kits that I have in mind to try and do. I think I'm going to do a traveler's notebook and it'll have a journal. It'll match. It'll have a traveler's notebook one, or you can choose like a journal one, so it'll match. So you can go either way with it. Anyway, so this is pretty much the cover. I just put a couple little brads in there. I will probably, when I put it on the cover, I'll probably put some lace and some other things and some different layers on it. And some flowers and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to set that aside until I'm ready to work on it. So, giveaway. And as you guys can see, I have, I got my contact paper, which is kind of nice because I love the feel of it. I don't have to have my mat. It's kind of it's contact paper, you know. And I don't have to worry about if I get glue or glitter or anything like that on it, because if it gets all muckied up, I can replace a sheet or a piece or whatever I need to do, because I got a big fat roll of it. And then if I get bored of it, I can always change it out to something else versus messing up these mats. I mean, I keep going through them like crazy. So anyway. All right. So what I'm going to do is, because you guys have just blessed me so much, not only on my channel, but through my Etsy, what I have done is I've decided to do a little giveaway. One is for my Etsy and one is for my channel, for my subscribers. So first of all, what I'm going to do is, okay, so let me just show you what it is. So what I've got for my Etsy is, everybody asked, because I gave my design team and Gail Agustinelli one of these boxes of washi. There's 20 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 20 different washi tapes in here. They're all kind of like a pink theme. I don't want to open the box. I don't want to open it, because you can kind of see, I think, in here. And there's like this, the cover is like shaded, but there's a lot of different thicknesses in them. So there's like, I think three thicknesses on them. So you got a fatter one, and then like 3 regular size, and then a thinner. And there's like flowers and some sakura and some Japanese theme. There's some deer and roses and hearts and gold and all kinds of fun stuff in here. So I've got this one. This one's going to go, I'm going to pull a name from anyone who had purchased a Valentine's kit from me. I had sold 33, and what I did was I put everybody's name in there. In here, I printed them all out and cut them, and so here, let me count them so everybody knows. Okay, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I had 33 packs. 33 people individuals bought them. All right, and I printed everybody's name in here. Now, so if you bought a Valentine's pack for me for my Etsy, you have a chance of winning this. If you purchased one and you don't win, you still have a chance of winning. So, you know, this is not where the giveaway ends, okay? So I'm going to draw a name here in a second. What I've got for my subscribers is, that's why I said, if you bought a pack and you're a subscriber and you don't win, you still have a chance to win from my subscribers, a little subby giveaway. And this is also 20. I did open the pack only to open the box so that I could show you guys. This one's a purple kit. It's got different sizes in here, okay? And it's got like, this one's got like a little dream catcher, and this one I think is a sea theme, and you've got lavender and watercolor painting, butterflies, letters, hearts, floral, all kinds, starry night, you know, purple starry night, that kind of stuff. So this one's kind of a purple themed one, and this one will be for my subscribers. So even if you purchased a kit and don't win here, you have a chance, or if you didn't purchase a kit, you still have a chance to win. So, and I'll get to the rules for that one in just a second. So what I want to do is draw for this. These are all the names from the purchases. So if you win, I will message you via Etsy and let you know that you're a winner. Even if you're not a subscriber on my channel, you know, you can win. So, because I have some people that purchase that are not subscribers. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. But I just wanted to give you guys something for my appreciation, because you guys have blessed me so much lately. And so I think we're good and shook up. Names in here. Mix them up. And pull a name. I just got one. Okay. So the winner is Debbie Craven. So if you're a subscriber, Debbie, you'll see I will message you through Etsy to let you know you're a winner. If you're not a subscriber, I'm still going to message her and let her know that she was a winner, and I will get this mailed out, weather permitted, tomorrow. Hopefully, because we've got our forecast has been up and down. We've been told 10 inches, 8 inches, 6 inches. No, now it's all going to be freezing rain and all that other stuff. So I'll keep the names in here, because if she decides that's not something that she would like to have, I'll redraw again. Okay. So I'm going to keep, let me washi this closed just in case. And if she doesn't want that, I'll offer her a digital kit if she wants it. If she doesn't like washi, I mean, I don't know very many people, crafters, that don't like it, but I do know some people don't. So if it's not something that she would like, then I'll offer her one of my digitals and I'll redraw. And we'll keep everybody's name in here. Okay. Okay, so that's for her. And now what I'm going to do for my subscriber. I am almost at 400. I think I'm like 2 people away. So it's close enough to me, and I'm going to give it a week. So I'm going to draw for this washi. I'm asking that it's domestic only, because after the 26th, our shipping goes up again, and it's going to go up on packages and international stuff, from what I'm understanding. So if I do the random picker and you're an international, I'll let you have a digital kit from my shop of your choice. If you obviously domestic and this is not, you don't like it, or you're not into purple, you can let me know and I'll let you pick a digital kit, and then I can redraw for somebody who may want it. So, but I'm going to draw for this on the 28th of January. I have some rules. So you got to be 18 years or older, domestic preferably, but like I said, if you are international and you do comment, I'll give you a digital kit from my shop. You have to like and of course be a subscriber. So like the video and leave a comment below, because I use the random comment, the random comment generator picker, to choose my winners. So if you don't, even if you just like the video and you don't leave a comment, you won't be entered to win. So leave me a comment. It can just be, hi Denise, how you doing? You know, like the washi, or, you know, that kind of thing, whatever. And on the 28th at some point during the day, I'm not going to give a specific time because I think that day I've got a dental and some other things going on. So in between there, I will do the random generator. I'll do a video for it and choose the winner and then get that one mailed out for you guys. So, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all of your support. You blessed me not only for my Etsy, but my channel, which is really growing, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I just kind of want to give back and say thank you. So thank you. Anyways, guys, I will let you guys go. I hope you liked the little plaque and that you guys, you know, go and give it a try. You know, I did my last video showed how I did this. I had a lot of fun. I'll probably do a few more. I'm going to practice a little bit with that crackle paint and see if I lay it thicker, if I get bigger cracks on it. But I really, really love how this came out. So this will be part of my cover plate on my next journal, which will be my next video. I'm going to start working on the cover. So until next time, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Bye, guys. Love ya.